Interpersonal communication skills have always been the basis for doing business, since people are the key success factor of any organization. If your technical knowledge and skills help you to become an expert in your profession, interpersonal skills will open the other doors to your successful future. Nowadays, enterprises that neglect innovation, both in production and in people development, lose in competition with more progressive companies. One of the reasons for this is because interpersonal skills are often underestimated. It is often believed that everyone knows and understands the importance of a proactive approach to work, effective communications, emotional intelligence, and creative problem solving. Tekadu offers a wide range of training programs called Core Business Skills. We focus on the immediate implementation of new skills into the work environment. Our courses cover 7 of the most important areas: effective communications, problem solving and decision making, self-management, influence and facilitation, effective teamwork and collaboration, conflict resolution, risk and project management. Open the door to your successful future by developing your team's core business skills. Visit our website and request a callback for more information. Invest in your personal development together with Tekadu.